What's the big deal about gluten? Everybody's talking about gluten, gluten-free. What's gluten? Gluten is a fatty substance that exists in wheat and other types of grain and can be very inflammatory for people. But really it's a recent phenomenon because the plants that are involved in the making of our bread and bread-like products have been modified. They've been changed. Have you noticed that someone can go to France and drink wine, bread, and cheese for 2 weeks and lose 5 pounds? You can't do that here in this country, so be careful. Gluten is a very inflammatory substance, and wheat products in the United States have created a lot of health problems. If you'd like to know more about nutrition response testing and restoring your health, visit our website at michaelformandom.com.